Hey everybody, this video will go over the topic inverse functions, linear and discrete. So I have two functions g of x and h, and they're already given as 1-to-1, so I know I can find an inverse of them. So what are my steps to finding an inverse? Well, remember, the inverse graph is reflected over the line y equals x, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, okay, g of x, those are my outputs y, equals negative x plus 2 over 5. But now my inputs and my outputs are swapping, right? My x's are becoming my outputs for my inverse function, and my y's are becoming my inputs. So I'm going to say, I'm going to swap x and y. So x equals negative y plus 2 over 5. And then whatever I get out for y is going to be my inverse function. So let's multiply by 5 on 5 by both sides. Get 5x equals negative y plus 2. But that was that negative was attached to this entire portion because it's attached to this entire fraction. So I could have just multiplied by negative 5 and gotten rid of that negative, or I can just say, all right, let's just divide by negative 1 and get negative 5x equals y plus 2, and then let's subtract 2. So y equals negative 5x minus 2. This is the inverse of g, so g inverse of x is negative 5x minus 2. Okay, now it says to find g of g inverse of 1. Now remember, if this was x, and I know their inverses, g of g inverse of x is just going to equal x. So this should equal 1, but let's look. G of g inverse of 1, well, g inverse of 1 is going to equal, I'm actually going to write this inside of here. This is g of negative 5 times 1 minus 2, which equals g of negative 7. G of negative 7 is negative. And I plug in negative 7 for x plus 2 over 5. Where did that come from? That came from this function. And I'm going to end up getting negative 7 plus 2 is negative 5 over 5, negative 5 over 5, which ends up being a positive 1. So I got what I wanted to get. Right. Now, I also am told to find h inverse of 4. H inverse is going to equal the set of all these points, but now the x's and y's are flipped. So my first point is 0, negative 9. My next point is 6, 1. My next point, so in h it was 4, 3. Now in h inverse is going to be 3, 4. The point 7, 4, flop x and y, I get 4, 7. And then my last point, I flop x and y and get 7, 9. So h inverse of 4, well, that's when my input is 4, or my x value is 4, which happens here on this point. So what is my y value at that x value? It is 7.